Hi, I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Today's video is feeling good yoga. Let's begin. Stand up nice and tall. Now close your leg. Bring right leg slightly close and forward. Inhale, stretch your left arm out, out, out. And from here, inhale, inhale, and exhale, open your chest. Inhale, stretch to the side. Exhale, open your chest, lifting up your sternum. Inhale, stretch to the side, reach to the side. And exhale, open, gaze toward the ceiling. Inhale, gaze to the side, shoulder blade together down so that you have a space between. Broken flow. And bring your arms down. Let's do the other side, left leg cross over. And left hand on the hips. Inhale, right hand up, right arm up. And stretch to the side. And exhale, open your sternum. Inhale. Exhale, walk on the floor. Connect your motion with your breathing. Stretch your side. Same time, open up your chest. Open wide your collarbones. Good stretch over your side. And openness in the front. And good, relax. From here, open your leg about your hip distance. And without moving your head, rotate your hips. Big rotation of your hips. After 5 times, let's do the reverse. Now, very good. Okay, from here, again, keep your feet open about the hip distance. Inhale and exhale. I'm gonna squat deep down and press my tailbone backward. Same time, reach fingertips forward. Keep your squatting, open your chest and reach forward. Open your chest, forward, open. And if it's too much, you can, of course, a little bit stay higher like this, okay? You don't have to go deep, but if you want to challenge yourself, go deeper, sink your tailbone down. And like a bird, as a feather moving. And now, relax. Forward fold. And hug your elbows. Feel free to keep your knees bent. And you want to sway your head to the side. And relax your neck. And release your hands, each vertebra, roll up. Good. Okay, now, left leg back, right foot straight. And both knees, belly button to the side, both knees straight, lifting up your kneecaps. Inhale. Let's take Trikonasana. Reach. Hands on your floor, block or floor. And wrap around this hand. And open up your chest, lifting up your sternum. And here, neck is okay, gaze up. Make sure tuck your chin, forehead higher than your chin. After 5 breaths, look down and shift. Let's do Trikonasana. Let's do Virabhadrasana 1, Warrior 1, Warrior 3. Okay, from here, shift your weight on the front. From here, balance like a Superman pose. And open your arms to the side. Balance. And slowly with control, bring your leg together. And arms down. Okay, now other side, right leg back. And toes straight, back toe slightly in, belly button to the side, both kneecap lifting up straight. And inhale, open. And exhale, reach. Let's take Trikonasana. And lap around your hand. If your neck is okay, gaze up, tuck your chin, forehead higher than your chin. And revolve your chest. Just open up, sternum lifting up toward the sky. Both kneecap lifting up, knee straight. Use your thigh muscle, back heel pressing down very strong. Shoulder blades together, revolve, full expression of this pose. Make sure inhale through the nose, out through the nose. Get a lot of action. And after 5 deep breaths, gaze down, reach your arms and down, and back to neutral. Keep your hips square. Let's do Warrior 3 without Virabhadrasana C. From here, bend front knee, shift your weight and lifting up back leg. And here, balance is okay. Open your arms to the side. Use your core. Gaze steady. Keep your breath steady. And slowly with control, back to balance center. Okay, now, toes heels touch. And shift your weight to your left, four corner of your left supporting foot strongly down. Let's do tree pose, Virabhadrasana. Inhale, and when you are ready, bring other leg up and palms together. Inhale, exhale, extend your arm as if tree is growing. Open up your branches. And from here, walk on balance and then try to keep your hands moving around and then kind of play around with your balance. While moving your arms slowly, try to find out if you can keep your balance. Be playful, be creative. Make sure to keep your gaze steady. Move around your arms freely. And now close your palms back to heart center. And release. And shake off. And now let's do the other side. Now, 5 toes pressing down and 4 corner of your foot pressing down. And when your balance is ready, bring other leg up. Palms together, prayer pose, grow your tree, open branches. And from here, play around, keep your balance, and while moving your arms, be free and creative. Keep your drishti gaze steady, pick up focal point, and still make sure the dignity of balance. Keep your dignity of balance while being playful with your arms. And palm together, slowly bring back to the heart center with control. Bring your legs down and shake it off. Okay? Now toes heel touch, knee together, shoulder blades together, lifting up front of your body. Zip up your core and back from neck. Back, shoulder blades, tailbone sticking down to the ground. And palm facing forward, open mountain pose. This sequence is designed to shift your mood around. I recommend you do it as often as you need. See you soon!